Hi, and then, ang blurry niya, tang niya. Like, feel ko tungod di sa phone. Pero try ko ba mag-relive? Hello, Mr. JJ's, I mean, protector. No, no, natrapuan ko na siya and everything. But still, wait. Like, di ba? Because, like, you remember me still? Of course! I still remember how you asked me, like, you wanna go crazy here? And then you sent me, like, the gamble thing. Because me and Val were on a PK, right? That's why I still remember you. Like, it was fun. You don't Okay, I want. Hello, Arlon. Naiinis ko talaga ang blurry niya. Or kailangan na ng mas, ano, I don't know. Nawa siya. Nawa tayo. Like, mas better ba? Is it way better than the earlier, or parang same lang? Di ba mas okay to? Okay, tayo. Hello, Cassie. Ano pinagsasabi mo as Arlon? Well, it's still hurting Andres. Like, look, it's bruised now. Bulod. Sorry, nasistress ako ang pangit ng camera. Like, ang labo. Dahil sa sa tempered na nilagay. Tama. Skin protector, ganun. Light. Like, taasan ko pa yung light? Ganun. Parang over naman. Parang itim ko lalo pag ganyan. Nawa siya. Light? Ang warm? Parang hindi ko siya bet eh. Parang super pala siya. Super warm. Ayan? Ito? Mas okay? Or what? Ay, over naman siya. Pinagsasabi mo, Arlon, Diyos ko. Hello, Makoto. Hi, Pop. Eh, ba profile mo, Arlon? Hi, Jess. Grabe, sobrang tagal ko hindi nakapag-live. Like, ilang araw pa? 3 ata. Kaya,